Actually, there's a well-publicized thing in our crew here.
Yeah.
When we found out that Mango Groove was on the bill,
Yeah.
I already let everybody know that I have a well-publicized crush on you.
Oh,
And
that is such a
that's out there,
compliment.
and they know it.
They know it.
And you actually remember the day I approached you in Monte Cassino,
Yep.
sheepishly, Claire, you're so pretty.
And you made me feel so beautiful.
Oh,
so thank you.
Well, it's the least we could do. You've been doing it for us for I don't know how many years. So we owe you. We really,
no, you
really
do not owe me anything.
Absolutely.
It's just lovely to have a reciprocal relationship. Thank you.
Well, how good were they to you tonight?
Oh, they were astonishing.
I mean,
I had no idea we were going to get this turnout and this response.
Really?
Well, you don't ever really know. And, a lot of these gorgeous people weren't even born when Mango started.
Yes.
I mean, Mango's been going for 28 years.
And well, I can guarantee you've turned them all. Because I was in there.
Yeah,
I was right in the heart of it.
Seething mass.
There wasn't a word. No, everyone knew everything. They knew the dances.
I was amazed.
It's unbelievable. But you, quite honestly, you've been the voice of a nation in distress, a nation then in transition, and now a nation in joy. I mean,
what a lovely thing to say.
You guys have been the soundtrack to so many events, so many great things that's happened.
Thank you.
The sound of Claire's voice and that Mango groove.
Music's a weird thing, isn't it? It just kind of gets you through tough times.
Absolutely.
And then it kind of, when you listen to it after even 10 or 20 years, it takes you back.
It surely does.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you realize this, but some people's song gets a few people through a few things.
Yeah.
Mango Groove Tunes gets a nation through a few things. That's a weight to bear. I mean, you guys...
That's a massive compliment, honestly. Thank you.
And it is. I mean, I remember when I started out in music, the first thing you do is when you pick up your guitar, you listen to it and you learn that bass line for a Mango Groove tune. I mean,
really?
You guys are setting the standard, and you have, and you continue. I mean, you had thousands in the palm of your hand.
Oh, what a lovely experience. I feel quite emotional, actually.
I noticed that.
Yeah.
Was I right in what I saw? There was a bit of a handshake, and you needed to.
I've been going through some stuff. My mum died last year, and I've moved house, and I've had a fairly rough time, and music actually got me through a lot of it. And tonight was very rewarding.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear, because the minute everyone realized Mango was sound checking, there was book your place in the front. There was no space.
That's so lovely.
Now, I must apologize. There's sound checking next door.
No, as they should. Sound check already. Very good. You're doing a great job.
Now, tell me, Claire, where's Mango Groove going now? What is the future?
Well, what I'm realizing, which is so lovely, is we have, I don't know, we've been around for such a long time, and we still seem to have young fans, and I think what's happened is their parents and their grandparents have kept us alive.
Absolutely.
At the same time, I'm recording a solo album.
Yes, and you've had great success with that in the past.
Well, this is going to be a really interesting project. It's basically, I'm not going to give you the title yet.
All right. Okay, I do have you on my show, so that's good enough. I can do with one exclusive.
You know what I'm going to? It's called Sing the Beloved Country.
Sing the Beloved Country.
And what it is, it's basically a whole load of amazing South African songs from across the board. But we're involved. What's more interesting than that even is we're involving a whole lot of lovely artists like Zolani from Freshly Ground, Kurt Darren, Romance.
Oh, that is exactly what we need.
No, it's sounding gorgeous. I've never been so proud of something ever.
Really?
No,
that is fantastic
I mean it.
to hear.
Yeah, no,
because we can't get enough of you. I don't know if you realize that. We cannot get enough of you.
You're very good to me. Thank you. No, I want you to look out for this album, because it's going to be interesting. It's not just a feel-good thing. It's a little bit edgy, because what it's doing is it's putting songs that were big in one area, but hopefully shifting them and making them interesting to another demographic. And I hate using the word demographic, but we have to.
You've got to try and get...
Yeah. So there's that. So there's Vulindlela from Brenda Fassie, and we're going to make... the whole thing sounds quite country. And that's very feel good. And edgy at the same time.
We cannot wait.
Thank you.
We really, really can wait. And I know you're on a very, very tight schedule.
I am. We're all bussing back to Josie.
So I want to say thank you so very, very much for taking the time.
A pleasure.
It's an absolute honor for us.
Can I have you on speed dial every time I'm feeling depressed?
Oh, Claire has me on speed dial. I'm done. I'm retiring. I've done everything I can in my career.
You are certainly not.
Claire, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you for bringing us all together in music.
Had
You
such
were
fun.
wonderful tonight.
Thank
We
you.
cannot wait for the solo album. MKtv.co.za. Stay hooked on. We've got some more great bands.
Oh, yeah.
And I just want to say thank you to the fantastic Claire Johnson and Mango Groove. We're out of here. See you at the bar. Hi, I'm Kay Oliver and you're watching MKtv. You've obviously made some pretty decent decisions so far in your life, like clicking on these videos in the first place. And remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter at MKtv_, and like the video. You do already. You kind of love it. If there was a button for love, you'd be pushing it multiple times. So all of these links along the side here, they're all interactive. And if you didn't know that yet, you probably don't spend enough time on the internet. Too much time working. Subscribe to our channel, check out our websites, and click here, roughly here, for more. We'll see you at the bar.